Today, we are going to explore Stoos Ridge. To reach the trail, you must ride the steepest funicular train in the world, then a chair lift. The valley station for the Stoos funicular is easily accessible by car or bus. By car, drive to the Stoosbahn parking at Grundstrasse 232, 6430 Schweiz. There is a parking garage next to the funicular and open-air parking across the street. Take a parking ticket as you enter. You can pay by card or cash at the end of your day. If this parking lot is full, keep driving down the valley to the overflow parking, where they provide a shuttle back to the funicular train. By public transport, take a train to Schweiz, Bahnhof, then bus number 1 to Schweiz, Stoosbahn, which drops off directly at the funicular station. It's a short walk from the parking to the funicular station. You can see the track heading up the mountain here. The train has multiple bubbles, each with a great view. Just stand at the window of the bubble that faces the valley. For Stoos Ridge Hike, you'll need the Stoos Peak Experience ticket, in German. They call it Gipfelerlebnisticket, or Tageskarte. This includes the funicular to the Stoos village and the 2 chairlifts necessary for the hike. Summer hiking season at Stoos is usually early June through October. In good weather, the lifts often open for weekends and holidays starting mid-May. Check the website for opening current times. Here's the top of the funicular track where it drops you off in Stoos. We started our journey at the Stoos funicular station, taking the world's steepest funicular up to the car-free mountain village of Stoos. From Stoos, we will walk to the Klingenstock chairlift and ride it up to the starting point of the hike. The hike is from Klingenstock to Frohnalpstock. The trail follows the ridge, offering panoramic views of Lake Lucerne and the surrounding mountains. Expect breathtaking views of the lake and valleys with wildflowers in summer and colorful foliage in fall. The hike culminates at the Frohnalpstock summit, where you can enjoy a restaurant and the views before taking the chairlift back down. Here is the village of Stoos, very quiet, full of holiday apartments, restaurants, and hotels. There is a small grocery in the funicular station if you need some supplies. Once you arrive in Stoos, you need to hike over to the Klingenstock chairlift, which takes you up to the trail. Follow the brown sign to Sesselbahn Klingenstock, tall station as shown below. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Here is the bottom of the Klingenstock lift. Use your hiking ticket to get on. The chairs seat 6 and have bubbles if you're cold. It's a slow lift, about 15 minutes, so settle in. The Klingenstock lift is usually open from the second weekend of June through third weekend of October. It may stay open on weekends through early November if there is a good weather. The hike is approximately 4.5 miles, 7.2 kilometers, and takes about 2-3 hours. The hike is considered moderately difficult, with elevation gains and descents. Bring good hiking shoes, water, and snacks, as there are no resources along the way. The Ridge hiking trail is open during the summer season, from mid-May to the end of October. The Stoos Ridge Hike in Switzerland, a popular trail from Klingenstock to Frontalpstock, offers stunning views of Lake Lucerne and the Swiss Alps, accessible via a unique funicular and chairlift ride. Also, the hike is classified according to the difficulty level T3 of the SAC scale. For the hike, good hiking equipment, sure-footedness, shoes with non-slip soles, and good physical condition are strongly recommended. Now follow signs to Frontalpstock. Watch your step. The trail is well built and not too narrow. Steep slopes to the side, but not dangerous if you stick to the path. Lots of stairs which make the path more stable. Lake Lucerne, also known as Vierwaldstätter See, is a stunning lake in central Switzerland, famous for its picturesque scenery, crystal clear waters, and surrounding mountains, including Mount Rigi and Mount Pilatus. A little rocky in parts, so it helps to have sticks and hiking shoes with good tread. When the path is close to the edge, there are sometimes fences for safety, but not always.